In this video, we will show you how to clean your Automower robotic lawn mower. For the best performance, we recommend cleaning your mower regularly. Before you start, turn off the mower and disconnect from any power. You also want to wear protective gloves while performing any maintenance on your mower. To clean your mower, we suggest using your Automower cleaning and maintenance kit available at husqvarna.com. It includes 2 brushes, 1 screwdriver, a microfiber towel, 1 abrasive pad, and a spray cleaner. Never use a high-pressure washer or running water to clean your mower. While your mower is protected from the rain, we don't recommend ever spraying water directly on the mower. To begin, place your mower upside down on a clean towel on the ground or other flat surface. Brush away any grass clippings you see, making sure you check around the skid plate and blades. You can also double check that your blade disc is spinning freely and the blades are intact. Now flip your mower right side up, inspect your contact plates and clean them if needed, using an abrasive pad or emery cloth. Then use a soft brush to clean the wheels, making sure they're not blocked with grass. Finally, spray your towel or Automower with the cleaning spray or soapy water and wipe down the body of your mower. You should also make sure you're regularly cleaning the charging station. To clean the station, clear away any grass, leaves, or twigs that might block your mower. Then use a damp cloth to wipe down the surface of the station. You can also check the contact plates and clean them if needed. Once you've finished cleaning your mower and charging station, place the mower back in the station, where it should resume its normal schedule. Now your mower should be clean and ready for its next cut. For more detailed information, please consult your owner's manual. A copy of your owner's manual can be found online at husqvarna.com.